Hello everyone, welcome to our Microsoft Word playlist. For this video, I'll teach you how to hide or unhide your ribbon. So as you can see, I have the blank document here, and as you all know, these are called tabs. We have layout, references, and this is your ribbon. Sometimes your Microsoft Word might look like this. So whenever you click a tab, tsaka lang lalabas yung ribbon. But what if gusto nyong naka-display parati yung ribbon ng kada tab? So ang gagawin nyo, just click any tab and click on this pin button here. So yan, nakapin na yung ribbon natin. So in case naman na gusto nyong i-collapse yung ribbon, click nyo lang ulit tong button na to para ma-hide yung ribbon. We also have options here where we can auto-hide ribbon, show tabs, or show tabs and commands. So first, auto-hide. It looks like this. Let's click this one and try show tabs. It looks like this. While show tabs and commands looks like this. So again, kung naka-display yung ribbon nyo, pwede nyong i-collapse by clicking here. Or kung gusto nyong i-pin, also click here. Or you can choose either to auto-hide, show the tabs, or show both tabs and the ribbon. So that's it. That's how easy it is to hide and unhide your ribbon in Microsoft Word. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.